Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw a lovely tulip. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. Start by drawing a big U shape at the top of your paper and join the ends, drawing a V shape inside the U shape. Keep drawing the right line of the V shape, taking it down to the border and creating the first two petals of our tulip. Draw a triangular petal tip coming out from behind the first two and draw a curved line at the center of the flower. Let's move down to drawing the stem. Draw two lines starting from the bottom of the petals, going down, almost meeting each other. Move up to the right and to draw a new flower, draw another U shape. Join the ends with a zigzag line. Those will be the tip of the petals. Draw the lines of the petal going down. And draw the stem to this tulip, going down with two lines, just like we did before. To complete this, add 3 long, thick leaves in between the two stems. Draw the front edge of what will be a base by drawing a long and curved oblong shape. Next, draw a curved line going back and around the leaves to complete the edge of the vase. Draw a wobbly line going across the base for the soil. And let's move down to draw the bottom of the vase. Great! Time to color in! For my tulips, I choose pink, but you guys can choose any color you like. They come in so many different colors. For the tips and the base, I will switch to red. A dark shade of green for the stems, and a lighter shade of green for the 3 leaves. Brown for the soil, and a nice bright orange for the vase. Let's now go over the outlines of our flower pot. And that's it! We have now drawn a lovely tulip. Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Asim. Your drawing is fascinating. It feels like I'm on a trip far, far away and I'm walking around a lovely market. The precision of your decorations is impressive. Well done, Asim! If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!